Here are 3 things that you need for nightclub photography. Number 1, a flash. This flash is really important because you're going to get a lot of use out of it. A lot of times nightclubs are very dark, you can't see a lot, and your camera can't see a lot either. So having a flash, especially one like this one called the Young Nuo 568, will get you really good photos because it has a focus beam somewhere here and it'll go and focus on whatever's there. You'll see a red laser somewhere on your subjects and your camera will be able to see a lot better and you'll be able to focus and take a lot better photos. Number 2, you're going to want to have a wide angle lens. Now this is actually the 18 to 55 millimeter lens. It comes as a starter lens for a lot of different cameras and this is actually really good for it. You don't need something that has a 2.8 because you want to get everyone in focus still. So this one has a 3.5 to 5.6 aperture and you're going to get a lot of use out of it. And you can also zoom in and out very easily to use. It's also very inexpensive. So this will do a lot for you. Now, number 3 is you need a camera. And sure, this is kind of obvious, but you want to get a camera that has really good low light performance or at least that can adjust with like flash or something that can do it. Keep in mind that you can do certain things to make your photos better. Having a lower shutter speed. So having under 1/110th, you can get some cool things like shutter drag. Shutter drag, I'll show you a quick example here. And you have a lot of cool things you can do. This ghosting effect will create really good motion in your shots and you'll get a lot of use out of them. And you also want to have a higher flash because if it's dark and depending on how high the ceiling is and how close together everyone is, you're going to want to have more power to your flash so you can get really clear shots and not have people dark or grainy or so on and so forth. Hope you enjoyed and create some cool shots.